Which of the following functions has the following graph on the domain negative infinity less than x is less than infinity? All right, so it looks like what I do here is I ended up doing some stuff that just kind of cancels each other out. E to the log x does nothing for me, but e to the ln of x has that e and that ln cancel each other out. I don't want to completely get rid of it though, because I have a feeling that's not going to be the only one that cancels out. But that does become x. 10 to the log base invisible 10 of x does become 10 because 10 to the log base 10 cancels out, so that goes to x. And log base invisible 10 of x also does that. So all three of you are x. Here's the problem. This right here tells me I'm allowed to plug in negatives. Am I allowed to plug in a negative for you? No, because ln of a negative number doesn't exist, so it can't be b. Am I allowed to plug in a negative for you? No, because a log of a negative doesn't exist, so it can't be c. Am I allowed to plug in a negative for you? Yeah, but wait a minute. If I plug a negative in, won't I get a negative? Nope. If you plug in negative a million, you would just get 10 to the negative 1 million, which is 1 over 10 to the 1 millionth. That's a really small decimal, boys and girls. The answer is D. Very strange problem. But again, what we did is we simplified, and I asked myself, which of these am I allowed to plug in negatives? And that's the only guy where I'm allowed to plug in a negative because it just turns it into a fraction and doesn't make it negative itself. Fun, 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 fun.